In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods 4 are not showing in the Find My app of your iPhone. Now, if you're unable to find your AirPods in the Find My app, first of all, just go to Settings, and from here, just tap on your Apple ID. On this page, just tap on Find My, then tap on Find My iPhone. Now from here, just make sure you enable Find My iPhone. Select OK, and after you do that, now just make sure you enable Find My Network and Send Last Location. After you enable all these three options, then just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services, then enable Location Services on your iPhone. And after that, just tap on Find My. Now if it is on Never, just select while using the app. And also just enable Precise Location. Now after you enable all these options, now just pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you do that, you will be able to find your AirPods in the Find My app. Just open the Find My app and go to the Devices section. And as you can see, you can find your AirPods in the Find My app. But if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to Settings. And from here, just tap on Bluetooth. Now just make sure you enable Bluetooth on your iPhone. And after that, just tap on the eye icon in front of your AirPods name. At the bottom of the page, just select Forget this device and tap on Forget device. After you have done that, now on your AirPods, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Now just wait for a couple of seconds, and after that, just open the lid back open and double tap 3 times on the LED on the charging case. As you can see, this is the first time, the second time, and the third time. After the third double tap, you will see this orange LED starts blinking on your AirPods case, which indicates that you have completed the factory reset process. Now just close the lid of your AirPods and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, and quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. After you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Once the force restart process is completed, then just pair your AirPods again with your iPhone. Now just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the pairing process. And once the pairing process is completed, you will be able to find your AirPods in the Find My app. And this is how you can fix if you're unable to find your AirPods 4 in the Find My app on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.